evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. Nakat yung videos, I have to do it again. Like what I said earlier, update. It's a weather update. It will be snowing tonight around 12 midnight. Right now it's raining. Temperature is 2 degrees. And yeah, that's an update about the weather. And yeah, I just finished my shift, my overtime shift. It's day shift and twilight combination, because I started 10 a.m. today and I finished 6 p.m. so from days to twilight. Anyway, it's raining since this afternoon and we're just going to drive around, probably going to a petrol station, because like what I said, it will be snowing tonight. At least I don't need to rush tomorrow. I don't need to drive tomorrow for fuel or for petrol. It's quite annoying to drive in the snow. I know it's not like Alaska or Canada here in UK, but you know, if it's winter, it's winter. If it's snowing, it's snowing. So it's still better to be safe. Yeah. So right now I'm still here in a multi-story car park. It's fully loaded this morning when I parked here. So I was on the top level. That's why I have to go around and round and round. I don't know. Finally I reached the ground floor. And for the exit now, going straight to a petrol station, get some fuel. So officially, like what I said earlier, it's winter. It's winter. It's winter. It's winter. You know, just like that, summer is gone, now it's winter. Well, I'm hoping that the rain won't stop, even if it's gonna be snow tonight, so that the snow will melted straight away tomorrow. But you know, you'll never know how thick it is or how worse it is. So let's wait and see, and praying for everyone tomorrow. That like those people that's driving tomorrow, I hope they will have a safe driving tomorrow, because I don't know how thick it is. We'll never know. Although here in Stoke it's not too bad, but like what I said, you'll not know. Winter, it's winter. So guys, straight to a petrol station. And I need to go back home straight away because my lovely wife is missing me so much now. After this one, after I've been to petrol, I need to go somewhere else quickly. I need to return some items that she bought last week. So I need a quick drive to petrol station. And mega love shout out to Senor Shelby and Christine from Sri Lanka, but they're Italian citizen now, so I forgot now, I need to greet them in Italian. Buenas tardes, señor, señora. Yes, I was really surprised they know that I have a YouTube channel. I said don't get so excited because there's nothing much special about my channel at the moment, because I'm still earning watch hours. And like, you know, I don't have enough budget to do this kind of videos, these everyday videos, and I don't have enough knowledge to do some editing to make my videos more wonderful and, you know, and fun to watch. But we will get there soon. Like what I said, we're just a beginner, and I'm just going to upload whatever videos that I can, that I can upload, as long as it's wholesome and entertaining, and I can share something nice to everyone. So that's what I'm going to do. But I have a strong feeling that one of these days, I will sit and watch those kind of tutorials about videos, editing and everything. Yes. So shout out to my team, Team JJ Kulit. Just be strong and chill lang tayo sa YT. Don't take it seriously, so we don't get a headache, and we don't feel bad whether we can make live or not. Just chill lang. Ako nga, I'm not really lifting my own chair. I earned those hours because of my own effort, and of course those people that I met online in the world of YT. Filipinos, mixed races in every part of the world. They supported me, and they teach me a little bit, bit by bit, and I learned a lot from them. It just so happened that one day someone asked me to join the team, and I found it nice. And well, just chill and relax. Anyway, we are here in the petrol station now. I will end up the videos here, and I'll see you on my next videos, guys. God bless to everyone. Love lang, walang hate.